In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Outlook app on PC. If you want to remove an email account from Outlook on your computer, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. This is useful if you're switching accounts, troubleshooting syncing issues, or using a shared device, and you no longer want that email to stay connected in the app. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open the Outlook app on your PC. Make sure the app is fully loaded so all menu options are available. Once Outlook is open, look for the Settings option. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may appear as a gear icon, usually near the top right area of the window. Click on Settings to open the available account and app preferences. From there, go to Account. This section is where Outlook stores details about the email accounts currently connected to the app. After opening the account area, click on Email Accounts. You should now see a list of the email accounts that are linked to Outlook on this computer. Next, find the specific email account that you want to log out of or remove. Be careful to select the correct one, especially if you use multiple accounts for work, school, or personal messages. Once you locate that account, click Manage next to it. This will open more options for that particular email address. In that menu, you will see the Remove option. Click Remove to disconnect that email account from Outlook. In some cases, Outlook may ask you to confirm your choice before the account is removed. If that happens, simply confirm the action to complete the process. After that, the selected email account will no longer be active in the Outlook app on that PC. Keep in mind that removing the account from the app does not delete the email account itself. It only removes access to it from Outlook on that computer. That means your emails, account, and data still exist, and you can always add the account again later if needed. If you're doing this on a shared or public computer, it's also a good idea to close Outlook completely once you're done, just to make sure the account is no longer accessible through the app. And that's it. That's how to log out of the Outlook app on PC.